If you've been wanting to make $100 or more a day with affiliate marketing, but you have no clue how to do it, or you're confused, or maybe one day you do it, the next day you don't, you're in the right place. Now, my name's Garrett. I've made multiple six figures, and I've been full-time for 10 years with affiliate marketing. And in this quick video, I'm gonna reveal my top 5 points on how exactly to make $100 or more a day. So the first thing, without wasting any time, is the offer. When I see people go out there, they do affiliate marketing, a lot of them are promoting multiple different things. And this is actually not what you want to do. See, maybe you think, if I promote a lot of different offers, I have a lot of chances to make more money. But this is not actually the case, because wherever you're building an audience, whether you're posting on social media, whether you're purchasing something called a solo ad, that audience needs to build trust with you in order to pay you money. And if you're constantly promoting one thing one day, something else the next, that trust is going to go down, because they're going to think, wait a minute, if that thing that they're promoting really worked, why aren't they continuing to do it? And they're going to start to really quickly figure out that you're just kind of in it for the money. Now, maybe you are just in it for the money, but this is the number one way to kill trust and also momentum, because it's going to take some time to build that momentum when you're starting to promote a new offer. And if you're constantly changing, that's not going to really be the best thing. Number 2 is one platform, okay? Now, this is another major one. A lot of people think, again, if I need traffic or leads or clicks to my website or to my offer, to my order form, then I need to spread myself out, right? I need to post on Facebook, X, right? Twitter, maybe, LinkedIn if you're targeting business owners. This is another major issue, and this is not what you want to do, especially in the beginning, because you only have so much time. Maybe you're working a job right now, maybe you're working 2 jobs, maybe you have a family. You don't have a lot of extra time probably. So for you to spread yourself out on all these different platforms, you're gonna be able to really spread yourself too thin and not, again, get that momentum. If you look at all the top people online, pretty much all of them that are successful started with one main offer and they promoted it on one main platform. So I encourage you, I recommend that you really ask yourself, what platform do you enjoy? Do you enjoy Facebook? We'll start with Facebook. Do you enjoy YouTube? We'll start posting YouTube videos, right? You really want to pick one main platform you naturally like so you can stay consistent with it. This is one of the biggest issues people have, and this is really what you want to do. Number 3, when it comes to making $100 a day with affiliate marketing consistently, is you want to choose one avatar. Now, what do I mean by that? I don't mean those tall 8-foot, blue aliens that, are on a different planet. What I'm talking about is an avatar is a specific identity of a person that you're trying to sell to, okay? The person that sells to everyone sells to no one. You want to be very specific, because what's going to happen is when you start making posts online and you're specifically talking to a person, one person, and this could be anyone. This could be, maybe your avatar is 30 to 40-year-old moms from the United States who want to make some extra income and stay home with their kids. Okay, so now if you're watching my video right now and that's you, you're probably feeling a lot more, resonating with it. You're probably like, wow, that's me. And so that's the effect you can have. When you clearly identify who you want to target and you make all your posts speaking to that one person and their pain, that's going to attract those people to you. Right? Even you watching this video right now, if you clicked on this and you're continuing to watch and you continue to watch towards the end, because I'm going to reveal how to put all this together very easily, then maybe you're feeling more trusting, because you're like, wow, he's speaking to me. I want to make $100 a day and he's understanding me, right? So you really want to identify. Now, how do you actually identify your avatar, right? One of the easiest ways to identify it is to actually just sell to yourself, right? So who are you? If you're a 20-something-year-old, guy who likes video games, you could market to other 20-year-old guys who like video games, right? So you can actually make your avatar in the beginning yourself. That's actually what I did. I started selling to people like myself because I knew what pain I was going through, and therefore that worked incredibly well. Number 4 is having a clear call to action, okay? So in every post that you do, or if you're doing short form videos like TikTok videos or Reels, you wanna have a clear call to action. So at the end, you always wanna tell people one specific action to take. And usually it's either gonna be go to the link in your bio or comment for information. Now the reason we're doing this is we're not just posting online, all willy-nilly just, to get attention. We wanna turn this attention into the $100 a day. So the way we're going to do that is when you pick one offer, okay, ideally at least $100, so you only need one sale. And then you pick one platform, okay, let's just say Facebook, for example. And then you're speaking to, let's say, 20 to 30-year-olds who, are, let's say, stay-at-home moms, okay? And then you're giving a clear call to action, all of your posts. You're saying comment info, and you do that. The last step is repeating daily, okay? So this is repeating daily, ideally 7 days a week, okay? And it doesn't take a long time with the right strategy, but by doing this and speaking to that same person over and over on the same platform with the same offer, eventually they're gonna come to you. They're gonna be attracted to you. And then also when you hit them with that pain, or when they're going through that pain, they're gonna remember you. They're gonna say, oh, that's the person that does that. I remember it because they're always posting about it. Okay, so this person, this avatar may not always be ready to buy at that moment, but by you staying consistent, when they're ready, they're gonna come to you. So this is the 5 simple steps. Now, how do you actually deploy this in a lot more detail? How do you set up your posts to virtually force these people to reach out and want to buy? If you're interested in going further, there's going to be a link directly below. I put together a guide where I literally reveal my exact templates on posting and how to actually specifically post for Facebook, Instagram, and a lot of other platforms. You can check that out at the link below. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video.